What's going on, guys? We are here in London, Ontario. We are here to pick up Jeff's car. We are going to go to the Plunkett car show, which is just outside of London, but the car won't start. So this is where we're at right now, and we're just waiting for it to hopefully charge from the truck. I don't know, I guess we'll find out. He's not a happy camper right now. Hi, honey.
Hi.
What's going on?
Waiting.
The battery is dead.
Battery is really dead.
So what are our options? Like, if we sit and wait for a bit, will it eventually charge? Or do we need to take the battery somewhere?
I don't know. I can't take the battery out of it. It's behind the wheel, like it's in the wheel well.
Oh. Well, shoot.
It's a good day to test the Aqua Repel system. Seems to be working just fine.
I was really hoping that we wouldn't ever have to know what it was like and we'd never see rain.
Yeah.
But we're not in Palm Springs anymore.
Good day to go to a car show. That's right, we're back off to London. Day 2. Car didn't start yesterday. Spent too much time looking for the battery charger. Didn't go to the car show. Today is Sunday. It's raining. There's likely to not be many cars there, but it's not raining in London right now, so we're gonna see if we can beat the rain there and
Go check it out.
hopefully go check it out. Simon does not like the rain. He's hiding. Can you see him? He's trying to go on my sleeve.
Northfield's a bust on Sunday. It's clear how weather really does judge this event.
I don't remember if we came on Saturday or Sunday last year.
We came on Sunday last year, but
It was nice out.
yeah, it's calling for rain this af, so
So last year when we were here, you can see the video, I'll put a link to it, but we were parked here. And now there's not even any cars over here.
well, even yesterday I saw some friends posting pictures and this field was packed yesterday.
It's crazy.
There was a lot of cars here yesterday, so it's
Bummer.
clear that we missed the good weather.
The good day.
We missed the good
The
day.
busy day.
And it's raining again.
We left at a good time.
Yeah, we left at a good time. If you can hear us over the rain hitting the windshield. On the way out, saw a little trailer being pulled by a older vehicle. Older custom vehicle. Didn't think to pull out my phone and record. Too in awe by this lowered trailer. And as we roll up next to it, Steve Darnell, Vegas Rat Rods, welder up. Yeah. just standing right next to the vehicle. Could have touched him. Could have touched him. He's a nice truck. Thanks, Steve. We appreciate that. Oh, that sucks. That's commitment. Anyways, if you've never been to the Plunkett show, the Fleetwood Country Cruise In, if you've never been there, it's once a year. All proceeds go to a charity, so yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, definitely check it out if you're ever in the area for it. He always has some sort of celebrity there too, which is really cool.
Right?
A couple years ago it was the Dukes of Hazzard cast, so.
Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Dun dun fun fun. Bum 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 bum.